Check out this 2004 Hummer H2. This H2 has just under 104,500 miles. This H2 boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seat trim, leather seating surfaces, includes CA 7 seats, heated, front and rear. Preferred equipment group, seats, front reclining buckets and the brush guard, radiator and grille, with 1SA or 1SC. Preferred equipment group, not available with V25, brush guard, wraparound or B2E, Victory Red Limited Edition package. With 1SB preferred equipment group, upgradable to V25, brush guard, wraparound. Call 877-267-3941 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.